cards. Now, there's nothing very magical about taking a... Hold them for a second. There's nothing very magical about taking cards out of a box until you realise that the box is only this big. And the cards are this big. So it becomes pretty clever start, doesn't it? Now, most magicians will say pick a card, but when we do that, we are cheating. Because what we're doing is we're saying pick a card, like that, you see. We make them pick the right one. So, what card would you like the magic to happen with? Your choice. Would you say that's a free choice then, isn't it? Definitely a free choice. 6 of spades. Now, I'm not going to do mind reading because I've already seen the card.
Sorry, that's me.
Can you do it? That's right. On the face of the card, the lid's already off. Write your name and your bank details. No, put your name on the card. While we do this, while you're doing that, I'm going to try something else. I've never met you before, have I? Perfect. Okay. Would you be amazed if I said, in my jacket, I have a name badge with your name? That would amaze. Would that freak you out, wouldn't it? Because I don't know your name. No. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that.
Let me do that. Your name.
I did say it would say your name, didn't I? I didn't lie. I did not lie, did I? See, it says your name. Okay, have you written your name on there? Perfect. That was a good time. That was a good filler, that jacket. There we go. Look, perfect. Now we're going to take the signed card. We're going to pop it on there. We're going to give it a shuffle. A riffle. And is this your card? No. 3, 2, 1. That was pretty quick, wasn't it? Hey, that was an amazed face as well. That's what I like to see. Okay, we're going to put the card in again. That was beginner's luck. Say stop anytime you like.
Stop.
There, I'm going to cut where you said stop. Take the card where you said stop. That was your choice. Show everybody. No way! No way! Okay. It gets even better than that because that's finding a card. Maybe I can cheat and make you find the card. This way is impossible because give me a number between 1 and 5.
4.
4. Now, would you agree that was your choice? So there's no way I knew that you would say 4 per hand. Okay, put your hand nice and flat. 1, 2, 3. This is number 4, which you asked for. Look what number 4 is.
No way!
So that was your choice. It was your choice. Okay, again, maybe I could cheat. Maybe there's a way of cheating. So this time, how about you put the card back in the deck, wherever you want it to go. Just slide the card in. Okay. Don't break the cards. I don't want to see where they're going. So just slide. That's perfect. Then there's no way I know where they are. I'm going to turn the cards over and give them a flick. I've found the cards out like this. 3, 2, 1. Now, if you look closely, there's one card the other way. OMG. Take it. Have a look. Now, you put the card in. It wasn't my fault this time. And every good card trick needs a nice big finale. So could you do me a favour? Check that is one card.
It is one card.
Perfect. I've not got 2 stuck together. And that's still your card, yes? Perfect. I'm going to replace it on the top of the pack. Put your hand out nice and flat. Please don't drop the cards because I don't like playing 52 pickup. Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Big finale of the card trick. Open your hand. How about that? 1 card left. The rest of the cards are gone. Thank you very much.
Where on earth
That's
did they
pretty
go?
good, but where the real magic happens, see this, watch, this is the good ending to it. The real magic happens in the museum and it's free, so feel free to go and visit Maidstone Museum whenever you like. We've got dinosaurs and a real life mummy in there. And a daddy. No, there's no daddies, it's just a mummy.
And a new gallery, which is...
And a brand new gallery.
Like you, Dennis, opened it.
Oh yes, I saw that. Yeah.
I got to meet him dressed like this. I went, all the times I've wanted to meet someone, every time I've ever met anyone famous, I'm always dressed like an idiot. And cut.
Thank you.
No problem, thank you.
Very good.
Glad you. Right, I'll do another one. Here you go.
Where's my card?
That's right. Choose a half. You sure? Happy with that half? You want to change your mind?
No.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
But the museum's free to get in, so you don't need this.